Good day, students. Today I want to solve problem under longitude and latitude. Now let's see the question above. A point X is on latitude 28 degree north and longitude 105 degree west. The first thing to do is to draw your diagram. Very important. North, south, west, east. A point X is on latitude 28 degree north. Since we are given 28 degree north, let it be at the top. This is north, this is south. 28 degree north. And longitude 105 degree west. You can see west, east. You see the figure, the angle 105 degree. So we are not drawing on to scale, but let your angle be greater than when you are drawing that of the lesser one. Now, can you see 105? Let's bring it out. X. That's latitude 28 degree north, 105 degree west. That's X. Let's put the X here. While the other one is the same latitude 28 degree north and longitude 35 degree east. So be smaller compared to this. Can you see it's bigger compared to this? Approximately. That's Y. Okay. Y. That's latitude. Same latitude 28 degree north, 35 degree east. It's toward the east. Let it be at the east side. Now we now draw dotted line. The dotted line means that there's another line at the back, but you cannot see imaginary line. The center of the latitude is this. Join it together at the point. Okay. We have to look for calculate correct to three-dimensional figure the distance between X and Y. Between this X and Y. When you are calculating distance along latitude, you have to take note that your angle will be at the longitude, the theta. Distance, the first one, distance between X and Y, which is the latitude, equals theta over 360 degree times 2 pi small letter r, where r equals to capital R cos alpha. You now write the distance again to be theta over 360 degree times 2 pi. Instead of writing r, write this r cos alpha. When you are calculating distance along latitude, your theta, this angle will be at the other side, which is will be at the longitude. And you have to look at the direction. If the alpha, in this case your theta equals, look at it, the direction, they are different. You add them together, different direction, but if they are the same, you subtract. Is theta now equals 140 degree. Your alpha will be, you pick one, there will be the alpha will be the same. That's 28 degree. Now let's go to the calculation now. Now you have distance equals theta is 140 divided by 360 times 2 times, we are given pi to be 22 over 7 times your radius, the radius of the earth 6,400 times cos 28 degree. Okay, now you have distance to be 140 divided by 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times 6,400 times what's cos 28? Cos 28 is 0.8829. The distance now, when you multiply all the numerator, you have 34,807,449.6 divided by 360 times 7, you have 22,520. When you divide that, you have 13,812.48 kilometers. Yes, kilometers. But you have to correct to 3 significant figure. 3 significant figure. Is that okay? 3 significant figure. Now in this, you notice that this we have 13,812 is closer to 13,800. You now say D, the distance equals 13,800 kilometer toward 3 significant figure. If you have 13,850 here, you will choose, you go to 13,900 kilometers. But in this case, it's closer to 800. That's why we pick 13,800. Is that okay? The 3 significant figure. Now, the second part of the question, we are told that how far is X from the equator? Look at the equator. See our equator. How far is X from the equator? Okay. Now, the distance equals theta over 360 times 2 pi big R. When you are looking for distance from the equator to this X, we use this expression. And your distance now, you take the angle, because at equator you have the 0 degree. Is that okay? Now 28 of the latitude, which is 28 degree north, plus the 0 still give you 28. We have 28 over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times 6,400. The distance now, because when you multiply all the numerator, we have 7,884,800 divided by 2,520, which is equals to 3,128.89 kilometers. Distance equals 3,130, because Adibi is 114. We now go to 3,110. Okay, and it is 3,124. We choose 3,120 because it's closer to 120. But this one is closer to 130. 3,130 kilometer, 3 significant figure. Okay, but in this case, we only asked to look for to correct the 3 significant figure in the first question. The second question is not. We are not to convert to 3 significant figure in the second question. I did do the 3 significant figure is in the main question. But you notice that it's calculate correct to 3 significant figure into Roman figure 1. That means that here we just leave the answer the way it is. D equals to 3,128.89 kilometers. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.